Hi, my name is Sean. I am the founding engineer at OnRamp. I am architecting individual products, features, services, building out infrastructure, and setting policies as it relates to InfoSec, DevOps, uh, and the overall delivery of the platform. I interface with INNOVANT daily. We talk about what we're working on for the day, and we go off and we knock down those challenges, and we communicate, collaborate throughout the day as needed. They are tightly integrated into our overall collaboration tools, including Slack. So we're DMing and in group chat channels all day, every day. We were given the opportunity to interview a bunch of various team members. The INNOVANT leadership as a whole really helps narrow down exactly what it is we were looking for, and then that's who they presented us with. Every one of the engineers that we were presented with, we ended up taking. I was really impressed with their overall breadth of experience, both at the individual level, but also at the team level. They give us flexibility when flexibility matters. INNOVANT's overall business structure allows us to scale up or scale down the team depending on our needs at the time. Super flexible. We can rotate in more senior staff, rotate out more senior staff if we need to be more cost effective. We just have a lot of flexibility, and I think that is an extreme value. One of the things that's really impressed me about INNOVANT is how quickly they've come up to speed on the platform as a whole. We spent a very modest amount of time onboarding them, both onto the product, kind of giving them demos and some training about the product, as well as a few deep dives into the code base, but they came up to speed very, very quickly. They are awesome communicators. I've been able to really fold them into our overall way of developing software very quickly. They have also picked up the product in the domain that we're operating in, which is being the world's best SaaS customer onboarding solution, and they've dove right into that problem space, picked up a lot of the business logic. They are eager to learn, eager to pick up something new, eager to listen. The INNOVANT folks are really just an extension of our overall employee base these days. We interact with them no differently than we would with a full-time employee that was on the OnRamp team. So one of the things we specifically were looking for when looking for a firm like INNOVANT was how comfortable were their team members with ambiguity. It is one of the key things that we look for when we're hiring our own startup resources here in Boston, is how comfortable are you with a lack of specification, but the output still needs to be good and functional and important and move the needle forward. I've been really impressed with their ability to operate in an environment without a lot of specification and an absurd amount of ambiguity as we're moving fast and building product. One of the things that the INNOVANT team does really, really well that I've been really impressed with is their senior folks. Once they get up to speed, they bring up the less senior folks. And that has taken a massive burden off of the full-time OnRamp team. Anytime they have a problem, they reach out to their senior staff first, and then if they can't get it solved by themselves, then they reach out to us. They serve as an augmentation to our team's own skill set. They have some really amazing front-end folks and resources, and then some of their senior staff are a little bit more back-end biased. They all serve to augment OnRamp's software engineering capabilities, and that has been super helpful. INNOVANT's overall code quality has been great. There are a lot of things that could potentially derail quality code, and doing that effectively and efficiently, managing a fully remote team and just doing stand-ups virtually and doing code reviews virtually, doing pair programming virtually. They have picked up enough of our development style and our coding style and our QA process that it's contributed to them just shipping high quality code super quick. I have used similar companies in the past. I have spoken to tens and tens of their competitors. We settled on INNOVANT for a number of reasons, but the level of seniority and experience of their individual team members, coupled with their overall business model and allowing us to scale up and down quickly and easily and efficiently, are all really great traits in an outsourcing company. The two co-founders and project managers that we've dealt with at INNOVANT have been nothing short of amazing. I have a direct connection to INNOVANT's leadership via Slack. Very helpful, very transparent, very forthright. I get no referral bonus, but I should because I recommend them pretty often. I don't think you can go wrong with that person.